Hey, Millennial Mamas, we back, okay? If you're anything like me as a millennial parent, I don't send my kid to school without lunch. I don't like them eating the school lunch. You could say what you want to say. I know some people cannot, they don't have the privilege, and I guess I do call it a privilege, to send their kid to school with a home meal. I mean, a home packed lunch every day, and that's okay. We are fighting for our lives right now in society and the government that we're currently living under. It's, Lord, help us. But anyway, yes, I pack my daughter lunch every day. Most times she loves to take leftovers, and we have her we bought her a little pink thermos to keep her food hot or cold depending on whatever it is. And she loves her thermos. Okay, so homegirl will take a leftover real quick. Okay, like she working a 9 to 5. Okay, she don't play about these leftovers. We just happen to have Alfredo the night before. She don't really like chicken in her Alfredo. She barely like broccoli. She just kidding. The child hates broccoli. Let me stop playing. I'm talking about some barely like broccoli. She hates broccoli. But she don't like chicken in it. So she just likes the pasta and the sauce, which I'm okay with. So like I said, I heat it up every morning. Not this, of course. But if we have leftovers, and she loves to take leftovers, and we have some, I'll heat up her leftovers for for lunch. And she'll take it to school. Lunch, I love making it for her. Some fresh fruit. A juice packet, some chips, and a fruit snack. Very simple, just like when we were kids. That's what, we would get packed when we were going to school. Usually a sandwich, some chips, a fruit snack, and a piece of fruit and a juice. We loved it. We absolutely loved it. I could not wait for lunchtime when I was a kid because I loved having, lunch from home. Didn't get too excited about the lunch from school, but it is what it is. We out here getting it how we live, okay? But anyway, like I said, I love packing my little daughter lunch. And I'm excited for the younger kids to go to school, even though I'm not, because the school system sucks. But, we're working on it. But yeah, I love packing her little lunches in the morning, and then I'll write her a little note, telling her to keep her head up, study hard, that we love you, you're so smart, you're so talented, blah, 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 all the wonderful things that our children are. But yeah, if you can pack your kids' lunch, they really appreciate it. Put little snacks and surprises and stuff in there. They freaking love it. I mean, mine does. She comes home almost every day and tells me how delicious her lunch was. Unless it was like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich that we accidentally bought chunky or crunchy peanut butter. She came home one day, y'all. She was so pissed. She was like, "Mommy, it was crunchy peanut butter." I was like, "Boo, I'm so sorry. I know. But it was the only peanut butter we had in the house. I'll never do it again. I deeply apologize." It sounded like a whole peasant in this damn house. No one, I make the rules. But anyway, pack your kids' lunch, okay? It's not hard, and they love it. If you can, okay? They love it. All right? Millie Mamas, we love you guys.